What's up, vatos? My name is Ian Capones. Is that good right there? This is my 1991, questionably 1991, I don't know really what year it is, Nissan 240SX. Let's see how many flicks it takes to start this car. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4! It's getting better, baby! Not bad. Hell yeah!
What's your favorite part about the car?
My favorite part about the car is I don't know, I don't like this car. I honestly don't like this car. Like, when I look at this car, I'm not happy because I feel like for the money I've spent and wasted, it could have been a way better car and not this car. But personally, I think my underglow. I really like my underglow.
You get to rewind the time to right before you buy this car. Would you do it again?
Oh, that's a really good question. Would I do it again? No. I honestly think this car was such a good experience, and it still is. Like, I've learned so much. I bought this car when I started working on like cars. Like my Civic, it was like, oh, it's cool. It got coilovers and stuff, but it wasn't like crazy heavy. Nothing crazy or heavy. Like, this was like my first motor, like not swap, but refresh and transmission pull and stuff like that. And it was like my first big step into working in cars. So I don't think like this probably was the worst and the best decision. Don't buy a 240, kids. Buy something like a Toyota. They're more reliable. Check out these XXRs, baby.
Dude, this is the quality right there.
What it do? And the spacers, baby! And the max speeding rod coilovers!
Yeah.
Look at that! That's quality right there!
Who's your biggest supporter of the car?
I think definitely my dad. My dad's helped me a lot with this car. It's kind of a us project when he wants to make it a us project. Sometimes he'll want to work on the car with me, but then most of the time it's like, no. So I'm out there by myself, but whenever he does, he's definitely out for it. He's always out there to help me out. If I ever need help, he's always there. So he's definitely the biggest support.
Like this, pops a fucking radiator tube off, and the coolant is hot and it's dripping on him, and he's just like, just chilling, like dog. And then next thing you know, he's like trying to.
I want to crash this car, but I'm not good enough to crash it. Neither I'm really scared to crash it. Like this car, the whole reason why I bought this car was to learn drifting in. Whoa, chill! Just like that.
How long have you been drifting?
Total time, or like, I've only done last year since my car was down, like almost half the year. Or more than half a year. This upcoming event will be my I think my 6th event, and that's not much seat time compared to most people. Like, that's nothing. So I definitely still have a lot to learn.
Today, you are fly today. See? You're still me, but you're a newer version.
you later.
Have a good one. Have a good one.
Always a good time.
Sick driving. Sick driving.
You drive safe. Everybody stay safe. Eat your vegetables, drink your milk.